Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Zoom. You click on settings, then this page you can click on apps, default apps settings. On above you can search about Zoom and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.